Yo, what's up, guys? Sorry, I'm a little late. I was some food before the stream started. How's everyone doing today? Hope you all are doing good. We're gonna do something a little different today. Hopefully, it's entertaining. But hold on, let me just roll my sleeves up so we can get down with it. Oh my gosh, does this not this button not? Hold on. So, I was debating whether to work on Battlefrog some more or start something new. And actually for quite a bit. And in the end, I decided that I think the main problem with Battlefrog right now is just like the feel of it, which is a really nice way of saying like everything. But it just like I don't know. Even when I go to play, it doesn't feel good. You know, like I'm not like excited to go play. Like sometimes it's cool, but I don't know. Maybe it's just because I played it a bunch or something. I don't know. But all right. Hopefully this works. Okay. Whew. What's up? How's everyone doing? I'm here. So what we're gonna do today is actually we're gonna make a snake. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, let me put the Discord announcement out. Let me put the Discord announcement out. I've been decent at oh my gosh, I better not have the hiccups. I do have the hiccups. Oh. Oh, I forgot to copy I always do this. But I've been pretty good at putting out the Discord announcements recently. Okay. I think that's all I need to do. I think this is actually all I need to do. Discord announcement. Oh, also I finally downloaded Unity 6. Now I'm new and improved Unity. Let's see how it is. Oh, they have AI. They have AI, so that's all I needed. I wonder what it actually is. Version control package manager is this. Okay. I adjusted it so it's a little better. It's not bad. I need to plan this out. What's the best way to plan this out? I need to just like put my thoughts somewhere. And I'm thinking of the best way to do that. Doing it in Notebook seems like a bad idea. I could try and do it in like Google Docs or like PowerPoint or PowerPoint equivalent might actually not be bad. No, I don't. I hate PowerPoint. Is there not like Office? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Unity 6 is letting me down. All right, L. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I don't even know what the error is. I don't know what even. I don't know what happened. Wait, what happened to Snake? Did it not save? Alright guys, sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. No, I definitely did save. I should be able to open. I saved it locally. Projects, Snake, yeah. There we go. Okay, we're loading it back up. We're getting there. Maybe one of these days it'll work. Okay, let me open up something. Get OBS back open. Okay, Unity's back open. That's good. Libre Impress, is that their PowerPoint? It is their PowerPoint. No, that's fine. Let me open up. They also have Libre Art or Libre Draw. Why did it show everything? I want to see what Libre Draw is. It looks pretty basic, but. Also on my list of things to do at some point eventually is, oh, here we go. Let me turn this, can I turn this dark mode? There should be a dark mode, right? Just so I don't like blind all of it. This is gonna hurt my eyes, I'm not gonna lie. This will genuinely hurt my eyes. there should be some sort of settings window, right? Properties? Probably the properties. Description, custom properties, security font. No, none of that. None of that is right. I'm thinking help. And I want to read help online. I just want, like, dark mode. Okay, apparently you can't search. I tried to search and it didn't like that. I don't know why. Configuring. UI. I don't know, man. Oh, here. I was just typing in the wrong thing. Here we go. Tools, options, accessibility. No. I don't think I did anything. Okay, what if I just look up dark mode Office Libre? There is no dark mode. However, you can make it look like it's dark by changing the application background. Tools, options. Tools, options, view. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's extensions for it too? Okay, okay. Interesting that it just goes straight to that. No, okay, interesting. So I can only do this. Why? Why does it only... so green. Full color icon pack. I don't really know how I feel about any of this. I don't know. Bro, I don't know what to do with this. What if I just do this? What if I do this? No, it doesn't even save. What? Why doesn't it save? Okay, curious. What if I install this? I didn't change anything. Guys, I don't know how this works. I'm really spending like half the stream trying to make this dark mode. What version am I using? Yeah, I'm in 25. So I definitely should have this. Tools, options, LibreOffice view mode. LibreOffice view. Well, there's no mode, but you know. Theme is probably about the same. It's not appearance though. Oh, is it? Is that why? Interesting. Oh, what if I do this? Close. Apply. Oh wait, what? Oh, restart. There we go. There we go. Let's see if this works. That was so much. Oh, also I didn't even, guys, I wasn't even screen sharing. That was so sad. You didn't get to see me struggle for so long. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I have absolutely no clue what it's gonna look like. I'm not gonna lie. So I have a general idea of how I want this to work. Oh, let's go. I prefer the slider white, to be honest, but it's okay. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Oh, interesting. I wonder what that's gonna be. Oh no, I don't care to save it. Wait, what? So that doesn't do that? Because I set it to do appearance. It should be dark gray. Right? Like, that's weird. Somebody said something in this one thread. Hold on, let me pull up this thread. I don't want this. Wrong window. Somebody said dark mode setting for application is under something different in the document section. Oh wait. Apply. Now restart. Okay, I think I got it. Guys, I think I got it. Nope, did not get it. Did, in fact, did not get it. Let's see. It says document background. No, that didn't matter. Guys, I don't know. We're just winging it. Tools, options, appearance. But yeah, why is it it's not? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's not. Maybe it has something to do with... I have no clue. What is this called? Impress? Sure. Just try this. No, it doesn't do anything. Okay. Alright, well, we tried. It was a good effort. It's honestly not that big of a deal though, because like we're just drawing things, so it's not that big of a deal. But it would be nice if I could figure it out. Oh well, maybe next time. All right. Oh no, hold on. I just want a new slide. Can I like duplicate this? Because I want a new slide. Hold on, I'm gonna have to change this music, guys. We're getting wild. It's been good besides that. It's been the only one. Actually, let me not play all the same songs. Wait, let's do. We'll do this one for a bit. Oh, no, it's not what I wanted. Not what I wanted to do. Okay, add to queue. Then we'll go back to this one and add that to queue. We'll do. We'll end it off with some of this one. Cool. Alright. Let me turn it back to what's good. And I probably should have figured some of this stuff out before I started the stream. But honestly, I feel like at this point, if you don't know, this stream is just going whatever. Perfect. Exactly what I want. Okay. The stream's 100% just, whatever. Okay, that works. How do I do a text? Perfect. Oh my gosh, it knows me too well. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need is a grid, right? That's what every snake game needs. Not grot, grid. This should be a line top, yeah. Although that's kind of grossly close, but that's fine, it's fine. Okay, so we need grid, and this needs it's just gonna need a I don't know what to call it. I mean, it's pretty much just it's pretty much just a grid, right? We'll call it tiles. And this is just gonna be a list of type tile, essentially. And then let's tone down okay, so which means we need another rectangle. Oh, it's actually a list of tiles, sorry. My bad. Then another rectangle here. And let's just do this. Is there a shortcut? Oh, double click. There we go. This is just a tile. And this tile I don't know if I want I want an X and Y position in the tile, right? That would make sense. Right? Or not right? And then we need to have a snake, right? Snake has a list of just tiles. Just regular tiles. And this is the snake, I guess. Oh, I don't know. if I want this to be like that. I don't really know how I want that to be, but that's fine for now. Then this is gonna have a move method, right? Which should just be, it should just be void move. It should take in a direction. Now that direction could be, it could be a string, it could be an enum, it could be literally anything. It doesn't really matter. I mean, you could make it a vector. It doesn't really matter. Okay. And that move will tell those tiles what to do. So that, I mean, move will handle the logic for, excuse me, it'll handle the logic for the tiles, and what I think is going to happen is, if we can do a little, just like this, yeah. Oh wait, hold on. No, I want it to be green like this. That's highlight. There's no fill, is there? Alright, we might be able to draw. Maybe, okay. So if we say the snake is, you know, oh, what? Well, that's terrible. Okay, that's fine. No, it's gonna be okay. We just won't do that. How do I go back to the selector? So I can't like fill this in any way, shape, or form, can I? It's not that good. Doesn't appear to be. Ooh, alright. Yep, I don't know what's going on here. There's too many menus. I'm not an avid Libre user. I just use it so I don't have to pay for a Microsoft subscription. That's about it. That's about it. Wait. Border color? It doesn't work. That's okay. But, so if this is our snake, right? Let's say we move up. This one, I want to turn green. And this one, I want to turn not green. So how would we do that as far as tiles are concerned? Should each tile have a set color or set active? Like it is snake. That's not a terrible idea, right? Because if you had like a I don't even know. Can you have like a color variable? Or even just like a vector 3 would be like an RGB value? Essentially a color, right? No, you don't want it to be a color. You don't want it to be, you don't want to keep track of its color. Like, not really. You keep track of its sprite render and then you just set its color when you need it, right? So I guess you can do sprite render SR. Also, you can lower this quite a bit and top justify the whole thing. So you have sprite render, and then you can have like set snake, takes in a boolean, get out, set apple, takes in a boolean, all these things, and then move. What that'll do is it'll get the position. Yes, this should also, it should have an X and Y, right? Int X, int Y, then you should be able to do get position. Which should return a vector to get position. So that seems good. That seems accurate, right? So you set up the grid. The grid keeps track of the tiles. Do you ever like really need the grid though? Like the grid itself? I mean, you gotta keep the tiles somewhere, right? Does the snake have reference to? The snake just has a reference to the snake itself. Oh, I see. I understand now. Oh my goodness, that was such a big yawn. It's not even 8 o'clock. I am shot. So this snake needs access to. It has access to the tiles that are inside of it, but should it also have access to the grid? Like, should there be a grid kind of thing? So there's 2 ways we can go about this, right? The snake can have access to. No, the snake it has to have access to the grid. It just has to, right? Because if it doesn't, then how does it set tiles to itself that it doesn't have? You know?
the only way it could set other tiles is if it has access to all the tiles. Yeah, unless you want to do some weird thing where a tile itself can set other tiles. Or you could have the grid deal with movement. Then what's the snake for? Why does the snake even have an object? Because if you do like void move in this past the direction, you would just need a reference to that move. We'd need to it would just need to know what the snake grouping is, what that list is. So I guess maybe move is in here. What happens when the snake eats an apple? That should be handled in move, right? There should be a like void add to snake. Wow, I really messed that up, didn't I? It should be lowercase and with dash. And then there should also be a list. No, not a list. There should just be a snake. Snake in here. That does need a grid. Add to snake should probably call like, I don't know, void lengthen or something. No, it shouldn't, because that should be handled in the movement of the snake. No, hold on. Because there's two separate parts to this, right? One part, so if you move to the right, one part is making this green and this black, but then another part is updating the actual snake list to say, hey, this is the new one in your list, and this one's no longer there. So updating the list should be part of the snake's responsibility. Determining color should be part of the... Okay, so let's just say add tile and then void. Do a, wow, not that. Void lose tile. Lose tile should, and then this should take in a tile, right? Add tile, you pass in a tile, and then add tile, you pass in a tile. Whatever that tile is, you add to the front of the snake. The lose tile, whatever that tile is, you lose tile, whatever. Oh, you just pop off the last one every time. Okay. So the snake deals with actually handling the list, what's in here, what's not. And then if you eat, I don't think you need. I don't think we need this. But if you eat one, you just add one. You don't lose one. I think that's the way to do it. Is this the whole thing? It could be. It could be. I don't think we can do a grid. Like, we might be able to, but I really sincerely don't know. With that, what do you even do? Create 2D tiles, tile palette, rectangular. Could you do a grid? Okay, let's do a separate folder. Let's add a folder. Hold on. Add to assistant. What? Okay, let's create a folder, and then let's say tiles or something. I don't know. And then let's create a new tile, 2D tiles. Just like, I don't know, just like a regular tile. It doesn't need to be animated necessarily, right? I really don't know. Auto tile, animated tile, rule tile. What's an auto tile? It just takes in a sprite, game object, tile collider, mass time. It should be fine. We'll call this empty. And then let's go ahead and grab where is it? I'm gonna grab Krita and make a couple tiles real quick. Guys, I am so yawny today. Oh my gosh, this is also not right. That's also not right. Wow. Just mega wrong. Unity 2D. Game dev. Okay, wow, that was brutal. I did so bad at setting all that today. All the stream settings, I did not set very well. So here's what I want to do. First I want to pick like a very gray color. Oh wait, no, no, no. Let's do a light, like a lighter gray. And then let's hit him with one of these. No, hold on. Let me turn this down to like 20 should be good for this. No, maybe like 10 actually. There we go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now, just copy this, paste it. New layer's good. That's actually what we want. Paste it again. Okay, now let's go here. Here. We need like a darker color for empty squares. And then for the snake itself, I think that's fine. And then for apples, probably fine, right? Okay, then let's save this, and I'm gonna save it not in there, in snake assets. We're gonna save it as a PSD file, Photoshop file. I keep wanting to say PowerShell, I don't know why. And we're gonna call this just tiles. Oh no, I didn't want to make a new folder. Interesting. Weird. Okay. Now let's go back here. Now here, oh look at that, it says it to multiple forest type. We're gonna full rect, and should be point, no filter. Apply this, open sprite editor. Oh, slice. Apply. It might have actually did it manually now. Can I close this tab? That was weird. Why would I do that? Okay, cool. Now, why is the tiles folder empty? Oh, that's why. I forgot the folder was called. I forgot there was already a tiles folder. That's fine. That's okay. We're gonna create a folder for sprites. I mean, these are probably the only sprites we're gonna need for this entire game, but that's okay. Oh, that's so sad. And then we need a tile. Oh, create a tile palette? Wait, cancel. Wait, how does this work? tile palette. Oh, I made the tile palette. I don't think I made it. Is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know how this works at all. We're gonna call this empty. I don't know how to actually change these. I don't know if you can actually change these. Yeah, wait, how does this... I don't know how this works in respect to... Like, we're gonna have all these. Let me... Hold on, before I get carried away. Let's try and do this first. Oh, that's the tile palette. Okay, hold on. Is there anything I need to do? I don't remember how this works, to be honest with you. There should be a tile map. Tile anchor. Oh, here, you can bump up the cell size. See what this does. Okay, so not even close. It might be close to like 10 and 10 now. Like 8 and 8. Seven and 7. Is that like on the money? Not quite. Why is it like so specific? You know what I should have done with these? It's 405 by 405. Why is that like... That's so random. .405 by 405. I don't know how that correlates to anything. What cell swizzle is ridiculous. I guess we'll just I don't know. I guess we'll just wing it. Interesting dilemma. Because so if I move it away to Waffle, do you want to see how to hello to the stream? Oh my gosh. My My water bottle attacked me. Do you want to say hello to the stream, Waffle? Everyone say hi to Waffle. Waffle, say hello. Say hello. Anything? You're just gonna purr into the mic. Say hello. Classic. Okay, now you can just relax now. You're good. I won't harass you anymore. So we've reached a dilemma where, like, I mean, in reality, how many of these do I really want to show? I don't know, but if I start moving the camera any further away, the lines will stop rendering. I don't know that I want that. So I don't know what to do about that. Like, what am I supposed to do about that? I wonder if it's because they're, like, overlapping each other. What if I made another... one? Or, no, what if I just took... basically the same size. Oh, no, didn't mean to do that, but that did look kind of cool. What is this? Is this not... what's Control R, not Shift R or something? Copy that. Paste it, and then move it down. No, that's not what I wanted. Copy. Oh no, hold on, I went the wrong layer. Now copy and paste it. Okay, now save this. That's fine. Go back to here. Oh, it does auto do it for me. That's crazy. Go to tiles. I want to go to this empty tile, and I want to replace it with this one. Oh, interesting. There's duplicates for these. Huh. But yeah, put here, and then let's create a 2D sprite, just a big square. Call it backdrop or something. Make the scale like 100 by 100. And so now, if I go further away on this, it does the same thing. Okay, that's all I wanted to know. So those gets a little hazy. In that case, can I move this up? I can. So I wonder if that's the way to do it. That might just be the way to do it. It's definitely tripping up my eyes, that's for sure. Yeah, do it. Should be like that, and then also just do... Make it like make it like 200 by 200. 3 by 3. Okay. Then go back to the tile map. I don't know how to... How do I paint? Where's the paint window? Oh, it's down here. I'm so silly. Yeah, and then I would just do it for the majority of... Okay, not at all what I wanted to do. Okay, that works, but this doesn't work. Oh, it does work. Right? So now this feels way too... Feels like everything is way too close to each other. So what if I move this down to like 7? That looks fine. Is it just me, or do some of these look like they're different colors? Because this is absurd. It is playing tricks on my brain. That's so crazy. Okay, but then, the real question now is... Can we use this tile map? Can we somehow reference all of these? We should be able to, and we should also be able to tie... We should be able to tie a game object to this. Let's go to empty game object. Let's call this tile. And then let's throw that in here. I'm gonna make a prefabs folder. Oh, interesting. I guess I'll delete this. And then I'll just put this in there. And then I'll put tile in the prefabs folder. And then we can go to the tiles. I can go here. Nope, okay, it doesn't work. Let's try this one more time. There. Type mismatch? Why is that a type mismatch? There's no way. That's crazy. Okay, well, lock this and go here. Oh, okay. Well, that's weird. Maybe it was because it was trying to pull it from... It was probably trying to pull it from the hierarchy and not the prefab. So now what? Now what do I do? Oh, hold on. Oh, you know We're gonna have to read some docs on the tile map. How exactly that works. Let's see, Unity. Okay. I don't know if I want the scripting, like. Okay, so tile map. Tile map stores sprites in a layout marked by a grid component. It's like a git grid or something. Git tile gets tile at XYZ coordinates of a cell in the tile map. Okay, interesting. All of this could be useful. XYZ coordinates on the cell, I assume, is for vector 3 int position. Yeah, this is the coordinates of the tile map. I don't know how you would ever get the coordinate of the tile map, but you know what I could do to test something out? Just like super quick and easy, is probably attach a. Let's add a grid script to this. I don't know if it's gonna stay on here indefinitely or what. I also don't know if adding folders in the File Explorer is bad practice, but oh well. I think it is because it doesn't know what this is. That leads me to believe it is bad practice, so probably don't do that from now on. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Baller. Cool. Oh, I did not read what that said. I thought it wasn't important, and then I read it, and I was like, oh, maybe this is important. But it was too late, because I already deleted it. Oh, well. So let's do, I could probably do this in a better way, but I'm going to do public. Nope. Not even close. Public tile map. We'll call it TM. Then on update, I want to call start coroutine. Change tile color. XY. That's not, no. Can I not just type an X? Is that too much to ask for? Boy. And then I just need to do private int x equals 0, y equals 0. That works. And then do private I that int x y. Okay. And then all I want to do is dot get can you do set sprite? Oh, you can do set tile, or set color. Let's do set color. Position, it'll be is our vector 3 inst new? And then color will be, I think it's color dot. Yeah, let's do color dot white. Then yield return. Wait 4 seconds. Let's do just 0.5. Oh, it's new. I meant new. Wait 4 seconds. Then do vector 3 int. This is like not even related to the project at all, but I feel like it'll just give me a good idea of what I'm working with, the methods I have to use, and I need to change this. Guys, I'm so bad at streaming. Snake. Okay, there we go. Snake. We're doing snake today. This is not at all gonna like. I'm just hoping this will give me a better idea of what I'm working with, and if I can do this, I should be able to do anything, right? That's the idea. That's the idea. Okay, so current tile equals, yeah, that. Then you just do current tile and current tile. Oh, it doesn't even matter because X, Y are being passed in. You're not getting them from like the current X, Y. So it doesn't really matter. But we need to figure out how to get the next X and the next Y, right? Because it should be increment X if X is greater than, I don't know if we can do that. Let's try. Private, actually you should return a vector 3 int. No. Do you want to return vector 3? Why not? Like, might as well, right? No, you don't. Whatever, we'll just leave it for now. No, just do private void. Increment. We'll just call it increment. Yep. So x plus plus. But then, if x is greater than tm dot I just want like the width, right? So width should be size dot x would be my guess. That would be my that would be my guess. Size is a factor 3 in, so yeah. So if we do dot size dot x, no, it's not at all what I wanted. I just wanted to do why I didn't do that. I want to do x equals 0. Yep, it knows me so well. And then y plus plus. There we go. Do underscore x underscore y. Because that'll leave some confusion. That's funny though. Because why are we even using anything? Yeah, that doesn't make any sense if like they're wait. This is not gonna work like I thought it was. Guys, I messed this up. Because what I wanted to do is every X amount of seconds call a method. And what this is going to do is every update, it's going to start doing that. So no, I probably want to use a timer, don't I? Which is fine. Because how is it going to go through this? It would go through this and say on update, which is every, frame or so, however that works, start a coroutine. Every single frame, it's going to start a coroutine. But instead, every, every half a second, I want to go and check this. Every half a second, I want to go and check this. So I think we need a timer, not a coroutine. So I think we want a private, we'll do public actually. not int float. We just need a float. And then private float timer. Then all you gotta do is if timer greater than speed, then do that. Do that and then do timer equals 0. Otherwise, timer plus equals time dot delta time. Now, every half a second, because it's gonna go, okay, it's not been half a second yet, so add time on. It's not been half a second yet, so add the time passed. Do that, and then once it's half a second, then you start the coroutine, which is I don't think you need a coroutine. This only gets called every half a second, right? So if you just did I think you would set the current tile color to you'd set the current tile, if you set the current tile, then you need to wait to set the next tile to white. But if you set the current tile to black, then you can set the next tile to white immediately. And we probably shouldn't do black and white because it's probably going to be right? Or I guess wait, so how do we say we want to do this? Yeah, so this will be the last tile to white, then to the next tile to but then how do you keep track of the last tile? That seems like keeping track of the last tile seems like it's gonna be harder than keeping track of the new tile. I mean, it's not really. Is it? Yeah, because you always have to increment, but do you really want to hold on to the last ones and the new ones? No. So instead, current wait, no, this works. This is fine. I'm being more dramatic. Okay, so here we go. So you're gonna set the last tile equal to just X and Y, right? Then set the color of that tile to white. Then you're gonna update the X and Y values. Then set that to blue. And then do this and set it equal to blue at the beginning. And then take this out. I don't need to wait for this. Guys, I don't know if this is gonna work like I thought it would. We'll see if it works like I thought it would. You never know. Oh wait, no, stop it. I didn't mean it. Okay. So I'm sorry. I need to set this to this. Sounds good. I don't know if this is gonna work at all. There's no errors. That's good, right? That's good, right? Okay, so let's I don't know what that's doing, but let's do debug.log like tm.getTile current tile. Let's see what that does for us. Let's see what that does for us. I mean, it should just print all the tiles in order, right? Okay, just a lot of empties. So it's not changing the color of any of them. Not to my knowledge, at least. Oh. Okay, so it's getting a lot of nulls now. Oh, it went back to... Interesting. Okay, what if we just did current tile? What it should be doing is just debugging this. Let's see. I don't even know how to tell if anything's working. Alright, let's let this finish here. You can't really see it, but it's compiling scripts. It's loading slowly but surely. I don't know specifically what would be wrong, but I guess we'll find out. Guess we'll find out. It's still not unloading these scripts. It does take a hot second to set it up correctly. Oh, there we go. We're good. So I'm gonna set a breakpoint for set a breakpoint for right here. Let's go ahead and attach it to Unity. Could I just like debug? Yeah, wait, what? Why didn't it let me? It won't let me step into or do anything. But does it ever hit it? I think I have to push play first. I think that's how this works. It most certainly is how this works. Okay, I don't really care about this one too much. I lied about that. Why can't I do this? Oh no, see this isn't what I wanted to do. Oh, continue. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, so increment here. Let's see. X is 0, Y is 0. Okay, when I increment it, you know, should do its thing. X is 1, Y is 0. Yep, that checks out. Oh, what's TM? Oh, okay. Let's see. A lot of information here. Color is, I believe, white. Size is 28, 22, 1. Which does that line up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Does it tell me? No, it doesn't tell me. It sounds about right. We're just gonna go with it. Sounds about right, because I don't really feel like counting all of those. Wait. TM color, that doesn't work. Just a lot of bases. Okay, yep, no, I'm getting way too far in the weeds, bro. That's hurting my brain. Yeah, it's not gonna go. Well, that's the thing, is it's not gonna actually go through the tiles, which is unfortunate. I don't know how. Okay, but I mean it's going 1 0 2 0 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm gonna put one here. And what does it get in there? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There we go. Now it's 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay, so this is all good. This is all good. It seems to be functioning correctly. I don't know why. TM dot get tile. Current tile was returning some weird things, but there's no reason for it to, right? There's no reason for it to do that. Let's stop this. Let's go back. Okay, everything's shut down. Let's go ahead and save this. Start it back up. Go back to Unity. Go back to Unity. Maybe. Oh man, it's just gonna take a second. Okay. Now play this. And let's see what this gives us. Okay, so empties. Empties are good. Empties are good. Okay. 14. It doesn't like 14. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I'm curious if the XYZ is actually the position of nope, that has nothing to do with the world position. I don't know why after 13 it just quits. I don't know why that happens. Yes, current title is 1900. TM it says size is 28, which I believe. You think it has something to do with negative 14, negative 11, 0? You think? Wait, let me go back to. Go back to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. origin of the tile map in cell position. What if we set X? No, it's not. Why would you do that? Well, I know why. But what if we set X equal to TM dot origin dot X? And do the same thing with Y. And then how would you check to see if X went over? You would have to do, instead of equals to 0, or instead of less than size, you would say, because you're assuming that the origin is 0, so you say less than size minus origin, I think. What that's going to do is it's going to say, okay, if your origin is 5 and your size is 10, if your size is maybe that would make sense. Okay, yep. This checks out actually. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that. I wasn't supposed to do that. Whoops. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now let's try it again. See if it works better this time. Oh, sorry, I was not paying attention. Okay. But okay, so everything's doing the right thing. That's good. -11 is not. Okay, actually, no, I don't know what it's doing anymore. I don't know what it's doing anymore. Am I just like a little confused or what? Yep. Okay. This makes sense. It's gonna go to, 14 or something. And then it's gonna go -14 and 10. Yep. It did not like -14, 11, but that's okay, I guess. Oh yeah, it should be greater than equal to. Yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad. I don't know what the color blue does though. Like I don't know what set color is actually doing. Because I don't know. Set color sets the color. You can do set tile. There's no set sprite, which I think is pretty weird, but... Oh, do you have to refresh the tile? Alright, I'm skipping this one, I think, again. I think for the second time. But that's okay. Do you have to refresh the tile? TM dot refresh tile. Current tile. I have no clue if that's it or not, but can't hurt to try, right? Alright, this one's also going pretty wild. The song is also going pretty nuts. Is it all gonna be like this? I don't think so. Alright, so... Man, this API is really not doing well. I don't think it's working. Oh. So just on the start, it should do TM set color blue, and then we'll even do TM dot refresh tile, current tile. We'll even do that. I don't think that's going to work. So this is tile. Which is interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I stop yawning? Yes, I don't think this is gonna work, but I guess it can't hurt to try. Or so they say. It should theoretically set one of them to blue. Not seeing it. So. Okay. That's not gonna work. I think we might have to do is create another tile. It should be call a snake tile. And just throw one of these in there. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Then public tile snake, and then yeah, just instead of set color, do set tile. Oh, and then you need the empty tile also. Set it back to. All right, let's see what that does. Let's see what that does. Okay. Oh, it's nothing set to anything, so that's why it's doing that. That makes sense. That's good though. That's good. It's doing what it should be doing for what I set it up to do. Based on the information I gave it, it's doing anything. And now when I set it to, when I set the grid to this, nope. What? Isn't this a tile? What? Yeah. I'm so confused. Why? Oh, is it because they're not prefabs? There's no way it's because they're not prefabs. No. I mean, I don't know why it's doing this, but it's not because they're not prefabs. Alright, I gotta look out. Guys, I think I'm gonna get this working and then I'm done. I'm crashing out. I'm just non-stop yawning. But this is good. We're doing good. We're doing good today. Just do Unity cannot set public tile variable inspector. It's gonna be like, are you sure you made sure? Hey, help it, bro. Unity type variable showing in inspector, but not able to assign variable. Everything that showed up was like, oh, well, if your variable doesn't show up in the inspector. And I was like, that's not what I want. It should be public tile. Yeah, that's what it is. Do I have to do like auto tile or something? There's no way, right? Could be. It's possible. But I don't think so. Because auto tile should be a child tile. Oh, no. Okay, cool. That just is dumb. Okay. Cool. Well, now this should work. Perfect. Yes. Okay, guys, that's so hype. Yeah, first off, we're gonna do that. Save that. Go back. Oh, that feels so good. We did a good job. We did a good job. It's weird that you can't put an auto tile in a tile variable. I don't know why, but it's very strange. So now I know how to manipulate these. I know how to manipulate the tiles. Oh wait, no, you need to go. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Wow. Perfect. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Oh, I did such a good job on this. It took me a while to figure it out, but yeah, I don't think you can change the color itself, but having a tile for each one is completely fine. Like, I have no problem with that. And I think now we'll need a tile map. The tile map is essentially going to do this whole... It won't do this for us, but it'll do... The tile map is essentially this way. But then we should be able to get everything else from the tile objects that it gives us. Because... so if we do tile.gameObject, it'll give us this. It'll give us the game object that contains the script. That's more like it. That's more like it. So that's good. That's good. That's what we want. Oh, guys, I feel bad letting you go early. I am gonna peace out. We made some good progress today. This. With this. I'll probably need some of that, but I probably won't need this. So we can probably... probably make a snake object, and then start implementing move. And that should be pretty straightforward at first. Hopefully, I wouldn't be surprised if we get. I low key thought I was gonna get snake done today. Like I thought it was possible, but we literally messed around for the last hour. Well, I messed around for about an hour before I even started the project. And then I messed around for another hour doing something that's not entirely related to the project. But now I have a lot more knowledge of how to do those things, right? A lot more confident now in what I'm doing, so that's good. That's good. And like I just feel like getting the basics down that is so much more important because now I know what's going to work and what isn't related to things that I just do. Now I can slowly add other components in, make it more complex, ramp up the complexity, and then I'm not just jumping straight off the cliff. But this is good. I think we'll make significant progress Wednesday will make significant progress. But thanks guys for hopping on. I will see you Wednesday. Go check out the Discord. Go check out the YouTube channel. Peace out, guys.